Hi everybody, it's Laura Fisk, your Norwex independent consultant, and I am here with another spring challenge cleaning tip for you today. So my task today was cleaning the refrigerator, and it was a big job. We had a lot of junk in here, things get hidden in the refrigerator, we grow science experiments. So I did a big clean out of everything that we had in here, as well as cleaning the walls and the shelves inside the refrigerator. And for that, I used my EnviroCloth and I used my diluted up detergent, laundry detergent. So came out great. I'm really happy with it. But there's still one last piece that I want to do with my refrigerator. So when I'm cleaning my refrigerator, a lot of times I don't even think about the doors, but there are fingerprints all over my stainless steel doors, as well as whatever else has gotten on here. And the outside of my refrigerator, which also gets touched a lot, needs to be cleaned as well. I'll show you a close-up of it. Can you see all the fingerprints on here and smudges? So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make your stainless steel refrigerator shine beautifully. So what I'm using is, I'm going to again use my Up laundry detergent diluted. I'm also going to use my EnviroCloth, and I'm going to use the stainless steel cloth. If you have appliances that are stainless steel and you haven't tried this yet, you need to try this. It leaves a beautiful shine on my appliances. No streaks, nothing. It's wonderful. You have the soft side. You have the soft side for shining, and you have the other side, which is a little bit rougher for cleaning. But I like to use this just to get it super clean. So I'm going to go ahead and spray down my refrigerator. I am going to give it a really good scrubbing. But if I were to let this dry without using my stainless steel cloth on it, it's going to dry with streaks. It's absolutely going to dry with streaks. So as soon as I'm done washing it, I take my cloth and I'm going to dry it down. And that's really what this is doing. It's drying it down and making sure that your stainless steel is not streaky when it's done drying. Let's see. There we go. I love that. It is absolutely shiny clean. Now don't forget the insides and the outsides of your doors. Make sure you give those a good cleaning too, and especially your handles on your doors. Those are probably, these two spots are probably the most important in terms of any bacteria that's going to be anywhere on here, because they're the parts of the refrigerator that you touch the most. So don't forget those. And this side as well. And you don't really need a lot of the spray. I just like to use it to keep my cloth wet. It cleans any other pieces of my refrigerator, like the glass display here. So I'm going to do the water. And it's safe, so I can use it anywhere. And I don't have to worry about if I'm putting chemicals on, say for instance, our water and ice dispenser. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down. It is coming nice and streak free. And don't forget the handle, and I'm done. And here's that same area I showed you earlier, and there's no fingerprints and no streaks. So for a really good cleaning of your stainless steel appliances, again, I do highly recommend our stainless steel cloth. You will not regret buying this. I hope you guys are having fun with the spring challenge. I hope you're keeping up with me. I would love to hear from you what you've done so far, so please feel free to post. I would love to see your pictures, whether it's before and after pictures or just pictures of when you're done. So hope you all have a wonderful evening, and I will see you tomorrow.